Dear students, welcome to 7th standard physics class. Once again, I feel happy to meet you through the e-learning program. Already I taught to you fundamental and derived quantities, area and volume. Today we are going to discuss about volume of liquids, volume of irregularly shaped objects. So first of all we see volume of liquids. You know the definition of volume. Volume means the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object, that is called volume. How to derive the volume? Volume is equal to surface area into height cube. Now only we are entering the topic, that is the volume of liquids. This figure shows that different containers in a beaker, they are showing different values. Listen, liquids also occupy some space, and hence they also have water volume. So but liquids do not passes through the definite shape also. Listen, the volume of the liquid cannot be determined using this type of container and marking the readings of values. To measure the volume, we can use other formula also. 1 gallon is equal to 3785 milliliter. 1 ounce is equal to 30 milliliter. 1 quart is equal to 1 liter. Next of all, we are going to discuss about density. In Tamil, we will say adarthi. So, what is the definition of density? Density is a substance. Listen, density also one kind of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in a unit volume. How can we derive the density? Density is equal to mass divided by volume. The mass is represented by the letter M and volume is represented by the letter V. So D is equal to, D means what? Density. So mass divided by volume. What is the SI unit of density? The SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. The SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. In other unit, CGS unit means we tell gram per centimeter cube. Gram per centimeter cube. So SI means International System of Units. CGS means centigram system units. So the CGS system in density is gram per centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Density related, shall I give one activity to you? First listen, take water in a beaker. This is a water beaker. You take in a water and drop an iron ball. Drop an iron ball and cork into the water. What do you observe? Listen, the iron ball sinks in water. The iron ball sinks in water and the cork floats on water. Can you explain why? Listen, our answer is heavier object. Heavier object. Here heavier object is water, iron. Iron is sinks in water and a lighter object is cork. So lighter object is floats on water. Then why does a metal coin sinks in water? Listen, next figure. Why does silver coin water sinks in water and wood has a floats on water? Now I am going to tell the reason. Listen all of you. We observe that wooden block occupies what? More volume. Wooden occupies what? More volume. And that iron ball of the same mass. Say they have what? Same mass only. But wooden occupies what? More volume. Also we observe the volume block is lighter than what? Iron of the same size. The lightness or heaviness of the object is due to what? Density. That is what? Density. That is we are going to tell mass divided by volume. If more density is packed here means some volume is also what here? Occupied. So it has a more packed volume is contained is greater density. That is equal to what? Greater density. So the iron ball will block the water. More mass of the wooden block. So same has the same size. But therefore the ion has, we know very well, the ion has what? More density. Ion has what? More density. How can we calculate different material has a density of different materials. Density of different materials. So here taking means cork and iron valves means they have a different density. Listen first, different materials have different density. So the materials which have more density, listen all of you, the materials which have more density are called denser. More density materials are called what ma? Denser. And materials with lighter, they are called what? Rarer. More density means what we are telling? Denser. More density means denser. And less density means we will tell the rarer. Density of some common substance at what? Room temperature. We have the nature, that is three materials. One is a gas, another one is a liquid, next one is a solid. So we have the different types of materials in gas. What is the density of air? We will say that kilogram per meter cube. So air is 1.2 kilogram per meter cube. Next, liquid. We take water. What are the examples of liquid? Kerosene, water, mercury. These are the best examples of liquid. What is the density of kerosene? Do you know? Hey, kerosene means what? 800. We will say in what? Kilogram per meter cube. And next one is water. The density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. And next we are taking what? Mercury. Mercury means we will take in Tamil what? Padarasam. So mercury means in density we will say 13,600. What are the best examples of solids? Wood, aluminium, iron. These are the best examples of water solids. So wood has 770 density kilogram per meter cube. And aluminium has 2700 kilogram per meter cube. And we are taking next what? Iron. Iron has what? 7800 kilogram per meters cube. We will take in water. Different materials have different density. These are the best examples of water. Different density has a different. We can take. How can we remember the formula of the density, mass, volume? So listen. We can draw one type of triangles. So listen here. We can calculate. This is a mass. This is a density. This is a volume. So mass divided by density. Next we can draw mass divided by volume. Density multiplied by volume. How can we calculate the density? Already I told you the formula for the density. Density is equal to mass by volume. How can we calculate the mass? Mass is equal to, listen, mass is equal to density multiplied by volume. Density multiplied by volume. We calculated density, mass. Remaining only we have volume. How to calculate the volume? Mass divided by density is equal to volume. The next topic is measuring larger units. We know already we measure in centimeter, meter, kilometer or millimeter. We are measuring the distance in what? Meter, like that only. But here measuring larger units means some space researchers, they want to measure what? Large units. They need what? Astronomical unit. First of all, we discuss about astronomical unit. We know very well the earth revolves around the sun in elliptical orbit. The distance between the sun and earth varies every day. When the earth is in perihelion position, the perihelion position means the position when the distance between the earth and the sun is what? Very short. The distance between the earth and the sun is 147.1 million kilometer. When the earth is in aphelion position, aphelion position means when the distance between the earth and the sun is the largest. There short here what? Largest. The distance is 152.1 million kilometer. The average distance between the Earth and the Sun is about 149.6 million kilometer. This average distance is taken as one astronomical unit. You know, Neptune is 30 astronomical unit away from the Sun. It means it is 30 times further than the Earth. One astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. One astronomical unit is equal to 149.6 million kilometer. So, million, you know the value of 10.6. We will take in the mean meter. We can calculate 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Next we move to the light year. In Tamil we will say Oliyandu. One Oliyandu. One light year means one Oliyandu. What is the definition of light year? Light year is defined as the distance travelled by light in where vacuum during the period of how many years? We are taking here 1 year. We know the constant value of velocity of light. Velocity of light. In Tamil we will say Oliyin Disai So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the constant value. So we know the formula to calculate the velocity. So velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. So we want to calculate the displacement. So displacement is equal to velocity into time. Already we derived the velocity of light is denoted by the letter V. Here given the time, that is 1 year. We want to take what? Time is equal to 1 year. So apply here. We know the constant value of velocity. Velocity is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Time is equal to 1 year. Time is equal to 1 year. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. You know very well 1 year is equal to how many days? 365 days. 1 year is equal to how many days, ma? 365 days. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We know very well 365. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into 365 into 24. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes 60 seconds. Here have seconds in the denominator, here as the numerator. Both the second and seconds are cancelled. After you write 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 365 into 24 into 6 into 6, 36, 3600 meter. So after you write there 3 into 10 to the power 8, we convert, listen, 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 365 into 24, 36, we have 2 0. How can we write 10 power 2? So, meter. 3600, how to write? 36 into 10 to the power 2 meter. After you take and come the power here last 3 into 365 multiply by 24 multiply by 36 10 to the power 8 into 10 to the power 2 meter. We know the formula of log m power n is equal to log m plus log n. So we want to add the powers. So 3 into 365 into 24 into 36 into 10. 8 plus 2 we add means we get 10 to the power 10 meter. So after multiply this 3 into 365 24 into 36. We can multiply means we can get multiply 365 into 3. 5 3s are 15, remaining 1, 6 3s are 18, 19, remaining 1, 3 3s are 9, 10. So we get 1095. After multiply by 24 into 36 into 10 to the power 10 meter. So next you multiply 1095 multiply by 24. 4 into 36. Multiply 1095 into 24. 5 4s are 20. Remaining 2. 9 4s are 36. 38. 3. 1 4 is 4. Next multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 1. 9 2s are 18. 19. Remaining 1. 1 2 is 2. After add this 12. 6. 26,280. After multiply by 36. So 26,280 multiplied by 36. We can get this and 26,280 multiplied by 36. 0 6 are 0, 8 6 are 48. Remaining 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 16. Remaining 1. 37. 2 6 are 12, 15. Next using the third table, 0 3s are 0, 8 3s are 24, remaining 2, 2 3s are 6, 8, 6 3s are 18, remaining 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. After add 10, remaining 1, 8, 16, 6, 14, 9. So we get 9 lakhs 46,080. So into 10 to the power 10 meter. Here given that what meter, we want to convert in what 15 meter. So 1 2 3 4 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter, or otherwise we want to know the kilometer, means 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer. Thank you students. We want to practice in your home very well. Stay home, stay safe, study well.